Hey everybody, this is Jimmy, Blade Show 2021. I'm here with Zach Brown's Southern Grind, and today at the show, featuring our most popular folder is our Spider Monkey. Carbon scales, 3D milled, full titanium liners, 6AL4V titanium, S35 VN blade steel, so it'll hold an edge forever.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And we have it in the satin finish, and we also have some black PVD.
I was noticing you seem to always have like two finishes for each of the different styles of knives.
Yeah, we always have the PVD finish, and then some of our fixed blades we have various different colors. We have some coyote, and
those are beautiful.
Yeah, multiple different scale colors. Like this is the jade. This is super popular.
I love this jade. It's just unique. It stands out.
Yeah. Jade stands out really good. It's
just a little more unique. It's not going to be quiet in the woods per se.
Nope, but it's a nice show knife for sure.
Absolutely.
And the Spider Monkey line will also come with all that. The Bad Monkey lines come in multiple different G10.
So I'm noticing the Spider Monkey probably is a better, like it's just a little bit more like something you could maybe carry in your pocket. I mean, you could obviously carry both.
Yeah,
definitely. It's a little bit more like tucked away.
Yeah, it's like a 3-inch. This is our 3-inch blade. These are our 4-inch blade, and they're just it's a little bit nicer for everyday carry. This one's a little bit bigger. But they're great for like medium and heavy duty
Absolutely.
use.
So these two knives together, I mean, are pretty much the same knife. You just have the variation of the Tonto tip.
Yeah, this is the Tonto blade version. We do a modified Tonto.
Oh, nice. Let me make sure that people understand that.
Yeah, we do a little sharpen the reverse bevel right there on the end.
All right.
But all the liners full titanium.
And well, I got to say, I peeked at these. These are just beautiful. And
yeah.
I understand that you don't know if you're going to be carrying these or not, but we've got a deal on those today at the last day of the show. Yeah,
the last day of the show, the fixed blades, the larger fixed blades, our Jackal, are selling for $140, and that's a pretty good.
That's a really good deal.
Yeah, it's like $100.
I got to say, it's just an eye-catching kind of a thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty damn intense, but all in all, it was really nice to see the Southern Grind represented here at the Blade Show. I appreciate your time. This was definitely not a dull moment. Thanks for taking the time.
Yep.
All right, buddy.
Thanks for stopping by.